Hi, I'm Sean. I'm the current team lead of UVic Rocketry. We're a team of about 40 undergraduate students that has been designing and building and launching rockets for several years now, and a subset of our team is working specifically on this parabolic flight project. We have students from the engineering and physics departments who design and build our rockets and hardware for our other projects, as well as business and economics students who do things like managing our team's finances and our media pages, and also lots of biology and microbiology students who use our rockets as a platform for performing biological experiments, and that's what my background is in. So our rockets have been providing us with a platform for biological research, and we're now branching out beyond just rockets. Any living organism that goes into space is exposed to a hypergravity environment upon launch of the spacecraft, as well as a zero gravity environment once it reaches space, and also increased levels of radiation. And so our research is focused on understanding how biological systems respond to these environmental variables, and then translating this information to applications both on and off the planet. And what we're doing specifically with this project is seeing how an organism's genome responds to being in microgravity. So every organism has DNA, which makes up its genes, and in order to use these genes, they need to be expressed. And so to express a gene, the DNA will be transcribed into molecules of RNA. Using RNA sequencing, we can identify and quantify all of the molecules of RNA inside an organism, and then understand how its genome is responding to its current environment and which genes it needs to adapt and survive in its current environment. So the off-Earth applications of this are understanding how biological systems function in space for the purpose of long-term human spaceflight missions. Personally, I've learned a lot from the outreach work we've been doing because this was my first time being heavily involved with it since I've joined the team, and I've had to learn a lot about how to present information to the high school students in a way that balances them learning something and it being presented at a level appropriate for them and in a way that keeps them fun and interested. As for if I'm excited to go on the flight, well, yes, of course I am. I mean, I've spent my entire life with the force of gravity pulling me down at 9.81 meters per second, and now for the first time in my life I get to feel what it's like for that not to be happening. And several people on my team have expressed an interest in seeing what happens to my beard in zero gravity, and I guess I'd like to see that too.